Good morning to everyone. So today we are discussing the very important problems in state transition matrix and the controllability and the observability. Okay, so last class is discussing what are the different methods to solve the state transition matrix and what is the properties of state transition matrix and what is the problems to solve the controllability and the observability. Okay, so today we are discussing some of the problems to solve the state transition matrix and the controllability and the observability. Okay, so first, a system matrix is given by, so the A matrix, A is equal to, so what is the A matrix? Minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, and 1 by 2, minus 7 by 2, 5, sorry. So this is the A matrix. So what is the state model? So state equation is x dash is equal to ax plus bu. So the A matrix minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 7 by 5. Obtain the state transition matrix. So solving the state transition matrix. So given that the formula of the state transition matrix is f of A or f of lambda is equal to e power at. This is the very simplest method. So is equal to first A naught into I plus A1 into A naught into I plus A1 into A. First calculating the characteristic equation. First calculating the characteristic equation. What is the formula of characteristic equation? A minus lambda I or Si minus A in a note change. So modulus of Si minus A. So modulus of Si minus A whole inverse. So Si minus A equal to 0. So A matrix is the given 2 by 2 matrix, assuming the identity matrix also 2 by 2. So it is 1 0 and the 0 1, 1 0 and the 0 1. So S into identity matrix 1 0 0 1 minus A matrix is minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 7 by 5. The determinant of 0. So S into 1, yes. S minus into minus plus. S plus 1 by 2, 5 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and S plus 7 by 5. The determinant is S plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So this is in the form of A, B, C, D. So AD minus BC, the modulus of S plus 1 by 2 into S plus 7 by 5 minus into minus plus 5 by 4 is equal to 0. Solving this equation, find the roots. Solving this equation, find the roots. The roots is minus 0.75, first root is minus 0.75. The second root is minus 0.75. So the first one is also minus 0.95. This is lambda 1 first root, and the second root also same minus 0.75. It's lambda 2. Okay, so the first equation is obtained by replacing A by lambda. So first, what is the formula of the state transition matrix? So the state transition matrix, f of A is equal to e power at is equal to a naught I plus a1a. So ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం? Replacing A is lambda 1. So f of lambda 1 is equal to e power lambda 1t is equal to, what is the formula? A naught into I plus a1 into lambda 1. a1 into a kabatti, so in the a is replaced lambda 1. Okay, so what is the lambda 1? First root is e power minus 0.95t. Then lambda 1 name వచ్చింది మనకు first root 0.95, second also 0.95. So e power minus 0.95t is equal to a naught. In the A matrix is 2 by 2. So identity matrix also 1 0 0 1 plus a1 into lambda 1. What is the value of lambda 1? 0.95. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి లాంబ్డా 1 వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఈ ఐడెంటిటీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ని ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ A1 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఒకవేళ యూజ్ అయితే అప్పుడు ఐడెంటిటీ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. అదర్వైజ్ టేక్ జస్ట్ a naught minus 0.95 into a1 is equal to e power minus 0.95t. Clear? Next, substitute lambda 2 in the equation. Substitute lambda 2. So the f of lambda 2, second equation also same, second root also same. Okvela second root, first root is minus 0.95. For example, lambda 2 is 0.8 undanukondi, minus 0.8 for example. So same common root lekunda lambda 2 and lambda 1 is both are not equal undanukondi. So take same process, e power lambda t is equal to a naught plus a1 lambda. But in the same, lambda 1 is same, lambda 1 and lambda 2 is both roots are same. So f of lambda 2 is equal to d by d lambda 2 into e power lambda 2 dt. So మనం ఏం చేయాలి? in the differentiate చేయాలి. Clear all of you? So ఏదైతే మనం ఇక్కడ ఉంటుందో, సో సేమ్ ఈక్వల్ గా వచ్చాయనుకో lambda 1 and lambda 2, in the differentiate d by d lambda 2 is equal to, in the differentiate of e power lambda 2t is equal to a naught is constant, it's 0, and the a1. Substitute a1 value and the equation 1. So a naught and the a1 both are values వచ్చేసి. So substitute the formula in the state transition matrix. A naught I plus a1a. I is identity matrix, so A matrix is 2 by 2. So assuming the identity matrix also 2 by 2. So A naught is e power minus 0.95t plus 0.95t into e power minus 0.95t into identity matrix. So multiply A naught value and A1 value. So this is the state transition matrix. It's very, very important problems to obtain the state transition matrix. So it's in this unit, 7 marks, easy question. Next problem. The natural response of a certain system is described by the homogeneous state equation. So dy1 by dt is plus 7y1 minus y2 equal to 0. dy2 by dt plus 12y1 is equal to 0. Show that the state transition matrix can be written as, so show that this is the state transition matrix. Phi of t is equal to 4 e power minus 4t minus 3 e power minus 3t. And this is second, third one, and fourth. Emma, so manam state transition matrix calculate cheyali. What is the formula of state transition matrix? It's very simple method. E power at is equal to a naught into I plus a1 into a. What is the formula of state transition matrix? E power at is equal to a naught I plus a1 into a. Okay, so first, in the given homogeneous state equations, dy1 by dt plus 7y1 minus y2 equal to 0, dy2 by dt is equal to minus 12y1. Okay, so in these two homogeneous equations, in the first equation dy1 by dt, in the second equation dy2 by dt, the above equations, what is the formula of state equation? X dash is equal to ax plus bu. Okay, so in the differentiate d by dt of y1 y2, in the x dash ante enti dx1 by dt dx2 by dt kadamma. So dy1 by dt dy2 by dt. So y1 coefficient enti minus 7, y2 coefficient enti 1, y1 coefficient dy2 by dt minus 12, and the 0. Okay, so what is the A matrix? A matrix is minus 7, 1, minus 12, 0. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మనకి A matrix ఈజీగా వచ్చేసింది. ఏమా, సో ఇలా మనకి ఈజీగా A matrix ఇచ్చినప్పుడు, సో you are solving the Laplace inverse of SI minus A whole inverse అయినా చేయొచ్చు, లేదా you are using the Cayley-Hamilton method. సో ఒక్కసారి Cayley-Hamilton method చేద్దామా? minus 7, 1, minus 12, 0. ఓకే, ఒకసారి చూడండి, ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్. So first, you are calculating the phi of t is equal to Laplace inverse of SI minus A whole inverse అయినా చేయొచ్చు. ఫస్ట్ ఇది చేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్, యూజింగ్ ద Cayley-Hamilton మెథడ్. సో బోత్ మెథడ్స్ ఒక్కసారి చెక్ చేద్దాం. సో SI minus A whole inverse, what is the transfer function? A matrix enti? A is equal to minus 7, 1, minus 12, 0. First, A matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. Assuming the identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Minus, what is A matrix? Minus 7, 1, minus 12 and the 0. So S into S, S, S into 0, 0, S into 0, 0, S into S, S, minus, minus 7, 1, minus 12, and the 0. S minus into minus 7, so S plus 7, 0 minus 1, 0 minus into minus 12, yes, this is Si minus A. Then, so Si minus A. Next, what is the Si minus A whole inverse? Si minus A whole inverse. So, this is Si minus A whole. So, this is A, B, C, and the D. So 1 by AD minus BC. So S into S plus 7 minus into minus plus 12. So D, A, D minus B minus into minus 1 minus C minus 12 and the S plus 7. Then, so this is, and the 1 by S into S, S square plus 7S plus 12 into minus 1 minus 12 and the S plus 7. So what is the roots of S square plus 7S plus 12? The roots is 1 by S plus 4 into S plus 3. S plus 4, S plus 3 into S 1 minus 12, S plus 7. So solving the partial fractions. So using the partial fractions. So this is Si minus A whole inverse. S plus 4 into S plus 3. S1 minus 12, S plus 7. Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. You are apply the partial fractions in the every term. So each and every term apply the partial fractions. So prove that the given, this is the partial fractions. S by S plus 4, S plus 3, 4 by S plus 4 minus 3 by S plus 3. 1 by S plus 4, S plus 3 ki partial fractions. 1 by S plus 3 minus 1 by S plus 4. Atla annitliki cheyandi. So, what is the formula of Laplace inverse of 1 by S plus A? What is the formula of 1 by S plus A? E power minus AT. So, E power minus 4t. Okay. So, this is normal state transition matrix formula. You are obtain this problem in Cayley-Hamilton method. You are finding the Cayley-Hamilton method. So next, very, very important problem. Consider the vector matrix differential equation. X dash is equal to 0, 1, minus 6, minus 5x. This is Ax. X dash is equal to Ax. With the initial conditions 1, 0. So with the initial conditions 1, 0. So the A matrix 0, 1, minus 6, minus 5, B matrix 0, 0. So first apply the Si minus A whole inverse. Si minus A. A is 2 by 2 matrix. So assuming the identity matrix also 2 by 2. 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. So S into 1, S. S into 0, 0. S into 0, 0. S into 1, S. Minus of 0, 1, minus 6, minus 5. S minus 0, S. 0 minus 1, minus 1. 0 minus of minus 6 plus 6. S plus 5. So the determinant of Si minus A. So the roots S plus 2, S plus 3. Hence, the Si minus A whole inverse. This is Si minus A whole inverse. Okay. So Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. This is the Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. So the state transition matrix 3 into e power minus 2t minus 2 e power minus 3t. So this is the state transition matrix. It is phi of t. And the given initial conditions. So find the total response of the system. In the given initial conditions, now the response of the system is given by x of t. This is the formula of the total response. In this formula is very, very important. X of t is equal to e power at x of 0 plus integral 0 to t e power a into t minus tau b into u of t dt. So already మనకి B matrix తెలుసు, A matrix also తెలుసు. E power at అంటే ఏంటి? స్టేట్ ట్రాన్సిషన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. E power at అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? స్టేట్ ట్రాన్సిషన్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. Phi of t is equal to e power at is equal to Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse. So already మనం Laplace inverse of Si minus A whole inverse already చేసాం. And the next b into u of t. So in the given problem there is no input. U of t is input signal, so that there is no input is given to the problem. So second term is vanished. So the second term is not considered. So e power at into x of 0. So already e power at calculate chesam state transition matrix into x of 0. X of 0 is 1 and the 0. Okay, this is the problem. And the next problem is obtain the time response of the system. X dash is equal to ax plus bu. So A matrix is 0, 1, minus 6, minus 5. B matrix is 0, 1. C matrix is 1, 0. This is the in the formula of Ax plus Bu and Y is equal to Cx. X dash is equal to Ax plus Bu. Y is equal to Cx. Where U of t is in unit step input. So ikkada manaki input signal ichchadu. U of t is unit step input and the initial conditions is 0. So x of 0 ఎంత ఇచ్చాడమ్మా? 0 and 0. x1 of 0, 0. x2 of 0 also 0. Okay, అర్థమైందా problem? So in the obtain the total time response of the following systems. So the state equation x dash is equal to ax plus bu and the output signal y is output equation y is equal to cx. u of t is unit step input and the initial conditions x1 of 0 0, x2 of 0 0. Okay, so given that x dash is equal to ax plus bu, now comparing with standard form మనకు తెలిసింది ఇది స్టేట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటి x dash is equal to ax plus bu. So a and the b matrix. So now what is the formula of state transition matrix? Laplace inverse of si minus a whole inverse. So si minus a matrix is 2 by 2 matrix ఇచ్చాడు కదమ్మా. So assuming the identity matrix also 2 by 2 1 0 0 1. So the find the roots s plus 2 s plus 3. So si minus a whole inverse calculate చేసాం. తర్వాత apply the inverse Laplace transform. So what is the inverse Laplace transform? So 1 by s plus a is e power minus at. Three into e power minus 2t minus 2 into e power minus 3t. Okay, so then now the response of the system, what is the formula of the response of the system? X of t is equal to e power at into x of 0 plus integral 0 to t e power capital A into t minus 2 into d into u of t d2. Hence the time response is given by, this is e power at into x of 0 plus integral 0 to t. X of 0 ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు మనకి? ఇనిషియల్ కండిషన్స్ ఇస్ బోత్ ఆర్ జీరోస్. సో 0 ఇంటూ ఎనీథింగ్ 0 కదా. సో ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ అంతా 0 అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ ద సెకండ్ టర్మ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to t e పవర్ a ఇంటూ t మైనస్ 2. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏదైతే టర్మ్ ఉందో t is replaced t minus 2. సో e పవర్ a ఇంటూ t ప్లేస్ లో ఏం రీప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నా? t మైనస్ 2. e పవర్ at. సో the t is replaced t minus 2. Okay, into b. What is b matrix? b matrix is 0 1. మనకి ప్రాబ్లం లో ఇచ్చింది ఏంటి? b matrix 0 and the 1. Okay, so 0 in the first term is 0 అయిపోయింది. Second term is e power minus 2 into t minus 2 and the second row first column is 0 only in the second. Okay, after that apply the inverse, integration. Note down the, this is the total response. Okay, e power 0 equal to 1. So the replacing of the x1 of t, this is the total response of. So ఒకసారి మీకు మెటీరియల్ పెడతాను చూడండి. This is the total response of phi of t. Okay namma. So these are the problems in construct the state transition matrix by using Cayley-Hamilton method also. So already Cayley-Hamilton methods chala problems chesam. Next, controllability and observability మీద problems చూద్దాం. A system is described by x dash is equal to 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 into x plus b into u and y is equal to cx. Check the controllability and the observability of the system. This is the equation, state equation x dash is equal to ax plus bu, and the output equation y is equal to cx, comparing with the following standard forms: x dash is equal to ax plus bu, and output equation y is equal to cx. Okay, so the A matrix 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. What is B matrix? 0 and 1. What is C matrix? 1, 0. What is D matrix? Is not there, so it's a 0. So A matrix, B matrix, C matrix, and the D matrix. Two hundred. The condition for system to be controllable is the matrix given by, what is the condition of the controllability? B, AB. Enduku, in the given A matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. The A matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. So only 2, B and AB. B and the AB matrix. So first calculating A into B. So 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 into B, 0, 1. 1 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. 1 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Check the controllability. B, AB. So B matrix is 0, 1. AB matrix is minus 1, minus 1. The determinant of the controllability, 0 into minus 1 is 0. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So the given the matrix is non-singular matrix and the rank of the system is 2. Hence the given system is controllable. All of you clear, amma? So ikkada manaki equal to gaani 0 raakapothe the given system is controllable. In the given determinant is equal to 0, the given system is non-controllable. Okay, next, test for observability. What is the formula of the observability? Condition C transpose A transpose into C transpose. What is A matrix? 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. A transpose is, so 1, 1 in the first row, minus 1 is second row. C matrix is 1, 0. And the determinant you are calculating. So the C transpose 1, 0. A transpose into C transpose is 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 0. 1 into 1, 1, plus 1 into 0, 0. So 1 minus 1. Calculating the determinant also minus 1. Therefore, the rank of the matrix is 2 and the given matrix is non-singular. Hence, the given system is observable. Next, this problem is very, very important. So, x dash is equal to ax plus bu, and the output equation y is equal to cx. The state model x dash, state equation x dash is equal to ax plus bu, output equation y is equal to cx. So find the A matrix, B matrix, C matrix, D matrix. So the A matrix is 3 by 3 matrix. The condition for controllability is, so the three values B, AB, A square B. Emma, so A matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. So only first two calculating. So the A matrix is 3 by 3 matrix, B, AB, and the A square B. Okay, so first calculating A and B, minus 3 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 2, 2. Next, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Minus 3 plus 1, minus 2. Atla 4 calculate chesi. Anni calculate chesi. And the A square B, A into AB. So already calculating A into B. Next, you are calculating A into AB. So, anni matrix searches. Now, the 3 by 3 matrix by collecting 3 columns. So, దీంట్లో మనం ఏవైనా సరే 3 columns తీసుకోవాలి. B matrix 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, 1. AB matrix 2, minus 2, 2, 0, 2, 1. A square B minus 2, 7, 0, 3, 2, 1. So, you are calculating in the first below 1 column, A below 1 column, A square below another column. Take 3 columns, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, and the 1, 0, 1, and the 7, 3, 1. ఇలా ఏవైనా 3 తీసుకొని the determinant is not equal to 0. So the determinant is equal to 6. So the given system is completely controllable. And calculating the observability C transpose, A transpose into C transpose, A transpose whole square into C transpose. Emma, so మీకు తెలుసు కదా ఈ ప్రాసెస్ అంతా ఇలా మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే.